Everything we do for every customer is new, it's custom, it's pushing the edge. I'm Ryan Bischoff. I am a senior composite additive manufacturing engineer at Electroimpact. The Scram system started as a continuous fiber 3D printer. Over time, that has developed into this hybrid manufacturing platform. It's for prototyping and doing small scale production. This system does several different technologies, all in the same cell, all controlled by the Cinemeric One. So it's a combination of an in-situ consolidated thermoplastic AFP head, some FFF, so fused filament fabrication. We couple that with a fused granule fabrication pellet extruder. With these technologies, we can produce a flat plate to a finished part, all within the one cell, all in one place.
Scram is a very complex system. We call it a factory in a cell because you can go all the way from essentially CAD to a finished product coming out of this cell. My name is Kylie Martineau. I'm the lead controls engineer in the AFP department here at Electroimpact. We have a long-standing history with using Siemens products, and the Cinemeric One is the natural next step for us as a company.
Electroimpact is always pushing the envelope in manufacturing technology. They're always on the leading edge with their applications, their machines. With the power of Cinemeric One, this allows them to push this envelope even further, from digitalization to safe kinematics to shorter cycle times or higher accuracy.
The Cinemeric One, it has an integrated 1500 series PLC, which allows us to use a lot more fun stuff inside the base code. These include more powerful just built-in functions, software units, which are a really exciting thing that we're using with all of our end effectors. It allows us to develop more complicated code and more optimized code going forward.
The idea of the Scram system is to be very open to new technologies. Siemens has been a great partner. Just the flexibility that they allow us to do, whether it be controlling the end effector, the robot, the cell, that flexibility with their control allows us to do much more innovative, new things. For short runs or small runs, nothing can compete with this technology.